Welcome back to the channel! Oh. Okay, so right now we are getting ready to get in the truck and head to Arlington to go look at 2003 VVT 1.8 motor for my Miata. Basically what happened a few days ago, I tried to start my car up, wouldn't start. We did a compression test on it. The compression in the motor went to absolute crap. And so we checked the head gasket, wasn't the head gasket. And we're pretty sure it's the rings in the motor. So me and Jay went to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, freaking Summit. Everybody couldn't get the parts that we needed until February. And so I found that motor, talked to a couple buddies, and they said it will work. And so basically using the short block and then using the head of my car onto that and get it back and running, because right now the Miata is in pieces.
This really sucks. We just got back from Arlington. I mean, it sucks more for you because now you have to pay 2 people gas.
Yeah.
I already got my 20 bucks. So free diesel!
Yeah, so I gotta pay $40 in gas when we could have paid $20 in gas.
If you haven't noticed yet, last video, a little foreshadowing I did, this is the bad news. We're actually, like, as you can tell, we always try to come at you guys with good vibes. This really sucks. Whenever he found out, he was pissed.
Yeah.
He was mad.
Yeah.
But,
I was not a happy Zach. I was very angry.
He was angry, Zach.
Guys, let's also take a moment of silence for the other bad news that we have.
What is that?
Moment of silence before the camera goes.
Dun, dun, dun.
In the arms of the angel, fly. Anyways, so Big Red is gone. I'm not too happy about that, but I had to get rid of Big Red.
I completely forgot about that. It looks so much better outside now. Yeah, it gets an eyesore.
You can see the tree.
Hey, aren't you wanting to bring your piece of Mustang over here?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks a lot better than that Jeep.
Hey.
To be fair.
Okay, anyways, I had to get rid of Big Red in order to fund replacing my motor and fixing my car. But I do plan on getting another Jeep, a better Jeep, and a lot more durability. Durable Jeep, thank you very much, in the future. So more off-road is gonna come, and also maybe a little bit of drifting might come on my side.
Yeah, you own it, so it's not gonna be durable.
Yeah, I know.
Don't really.
Their last my ass.
But yes,
They even joke laughing.
Shut up!
Big Red is gone as of this morning, but better things to come.
It's okay, guys. I mean, you're happy. It's okay, buddy.
With that said, we will be getting another off-road rig, but the priority right now is for this man to get it working daily. So that's what we're working on first. Once that's done, we're gonna be getting probably another Jeep because it's gonna be his rig. So probably another Jeep. Something that's not as ratted out as Big Red was. So that was pretty rad.
It was mainly the motor.
Yeah.
And the interior, and the drivetrain,
And the not a sunroof.
Here's the good
whole
news.
roof, and the messing doors.
The redneck sunroof. Here's the good news. You paid $600 for it,
Yep.
and you sold it for $1,000. That's not too bad.
I hope my guy doesn't watch this.
Well, all
Hey,
had a
how
winch,
much?
it had tires.
Yeah, you had the winch and tires.
Had
and
a winch,
bar.
tires,
Had
light
heated
bar.
and cooled seats.
Anyways, with further ado, we're getting in the truck. We're going to take a look at this motor, and we're going to start working.
Let's go.
Shotgun.
This is a nice neighborhood.
Hey, it's a striped Miata.
Oh, yeah, no, is this the White House? Oh my God.
So it was in a front end collision?
Yeah.
That's probably good right there for now. Let me get closer.
You sure you don't need this, man? Okay, cool. We were expecting like some pile of carpet or something. My knees are not gonna let me climb into this bed.
Like an old man.
Yeah.
You need any help?
Tweedledee, Tweedledum, trying to figure out how
okay.
Alright, so there is 6 garages on this side, and it's a guest house / garage.
It's gonna move.
Okay.
So.
Yeah.
Then there's the regular house up there with a 3-car garage and a huge driveway. This is nuts. And on the other side of the house, there's 3 more garage spots.
Goals, dude.
Yeah.
Goals.
Yeah. It would be filled with shitty Mustangs, shitty Miatas, and maybe a Tesla or two,
We have a
but
baller house though.
yeah.
All right, so we just got back and we are about to unload our new to us engine.
Yep.
Yeah, I've got this side, so I've got one too. Got it? Nope.
Yep.
Yep.
All right. What do you want to say, Gabe?
7-3 did great. That's about all I gotta say.
It was a good
So,
team effort.
so about that gas money.
That house though, damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
Also,
Damn.
gas money
Am I 50?
and beer money.
Yeah. I got $48 for you. Is that fair? Okay.
He owes
Unless
us
you want to
beer.
find those quarters. I don't know where they are. Alright guys, so right now Zach is in the process of removing the head from the block. In case y'all don't know what's going on, basically in a nutshell, the piston rings are most likely the culprit of why it's low on compression. So this is going to be ripped off once we get the engine hoist. And we'll be using this bottom end with Zach's old top end, which should still be good. Because this is a VVT motor, so we can't just drop this entire motor in, because we would need a whole new ECU.
Yeah, and then also some wiring.
Zach did some research, he also called a few people, and he confirmed that he can indeed use this bottom end with that top end. So, what year is this out of? A 2001?
2003.
2003? Okay, yeah. So 2003 bottom end on a 2000 top end. Should work okay.
So basically, this bottom end is stronger than that bottom end right there, and then my head is stronger than this one.
Mr. Richard Murphy's rocking the merch.
I feel so.
I gotta fix your tag, dude. Your tag alert. There you go.
I thought
You're
it was
good.
cool.
All right, and here comes the head.
Wait.
Give her a tuggaroo. The anticipation's killing me.
Hey, let's put it on that table over there.
3, 2, 1.
Move that bus!
There you go. Look at that beauty. Look at that, boys.
Dang, you got a lot of holes in your table.
And this is the bottom end that we will be using in Zach's Miata.
Well, I'm already recording, so y'all.